skincare in advance. Very milky, but you see I've tried. It's full. It is full, by the way. So yeah, we're gonna treat that. Retinols are a very crucial part in my skincare routine. I love to use retinols. I use retinols every other night. So this is the retinol that I've been using from quite a long time. So I was like, let's share my honest thoughts on this particular retinol serum from Some By Me. So I ordered this serum and this eye cream together. Now I'm not able to finish any of these. After using them from 3-4 months, like on and off, I obviously don't use them continuously, but I use them like once a week and sometimes twice a week, and I definitely have a good idea now how these retinols perform. So let's quickly begin the video and talk about these products. First, I'm going to start off with the retinol serum, and then we're going to talk about the eye cream. So talking about the serum, it has 3 major ingredients, that is retinol, retinal and bechamel, that helps in boosting the skin elasticity and also plays a bigger part in your anti-aging skincare. Now this retinol has been created using a special technology known as patented elastic liposome technology that help deliver the retinol deep into your skin. So compared to the other retinols that we use, this serum get absorbed deep down into our skin and work on the inner layers, which means it works really well if you're looking to reduce your dark spot, fine lines. I cannot tell you how good retinol is for your overall skin health, and I'm gonna insert a slide that shows the clinical results, how it improved the skin elasticity and texture of the skin. In that picture you can clearly see the difference after using this product. This minimizes your pore size and also increase your skin's elasticity. And it looks like very bright, but it is 7 p.m. already, and I usually go to bed at 8:30. Like doing my skincare in advance, so that's what we're gonna do. This is the texture. You can see it's very hydrating, very milky, but you see I've tried doing it so many times, and this is how much product I get. It is full, by the way. And see, nothing comes out. So definitely a hustle. I'm gonna show you the application. I used to use it a lot, and I'm gonna show you how worst it made my skin, but it is definitely very hydrating on the skin, and I absolutely love it. I'm looking very rough, but I just came out of the gym, so that's why. And I washed my face, and I just am here to do my routine. So this is the retinol. I'm going to show you up close also. That is how it looks. And this screen shows how it works on the pimples. If you're someone who's having active pimples on their skin, retinol is something you should definitely consider adding in your skincare routine. Now talking about the packaging of this product, this comes in a very attractive purple packaging. The product itself is so good and so nourishing. It looks very good. The packaging feels very luxurious. Only problem is that the pump dispenser, it is a hustle to take the product out, and I just stopped using the dropper. I just open the retinol and take the product just like normal bottle. That's how I use it. But yeah, other than that, this is a really good retinol. Now things that I personally experience using this retinol is that my skin become way more smoother, and it works really well on your skin texture. And if you don't know what skin texture is, it is like the bumps that you feel around your nose area or your inner cheek area. It became very smooth, like that texture. It works really well on that. It is like supremely hydrating serum that is slightly thick in consistency. It is not watery or anything, but it gets absorbed into your skin quite quickly. It feels really nice on the skin. It has a very light and very soothing kind of fragrance that makes your whole experience of nighttime skincare routine goes really well. It feels so great on the skin, and next morning you wake up with the most amazing texture free and glowy dewy skin. That's what I have experienced. And even when you apply this product, that time also you see a noticeable glow in your skin. And if we talk about the benefits, what are the general benefits of using a retinol? It helps dealing with your fine lines, it helps brightening up your skin, it helps controlling the sebum secretion in your skin, it also helps taking care of your post acne marks, it helps in fading those dark spots and hyperpigmentation away. So if you are someone with with dull, dehydrated or lifeless skin, retinols are something you really need to consider in your skincare routine, even vitamin C. Only thing you need to keep in mind while using retinol is that you can only use retinols at night and not in the daytime. And using sunscreen is like a non-negotiable when using retinols, because your skin become like supremely photosensitive, like 90% more photosensitive than in its normal state. Talking about the retinol eye cream, you definitely need a lot of time to finish this eye cream because it is like huge. You just need a pea size amount for both your under eye. It takes forever to finish this product because this is a lot. So you really need to use it in order to finish it completely. Now this eye cream contains both retinol and retinal, but at its milder form. It only contains 0.1% of retinol, which is the mildest, but still it is able to brighten up your under eye area. It also helps in getting rid of your dark circles if you have, but it takes time. It's not like something that you instantly see results with. You need to use it for 3-4 weeks in order to see the result and changes in your under eye area. This eye cream also contains glutathione that helps brightening your dull under eye area. Back to show you the eye cream now. Now the consistency is very good. It comes in a very nice packaging. This is the amount that I'm going to use today, and this is like more than enough. See that again? I guess, yeah, but I'm not able to do that. We're gonna slightly massage it, and then we're gonna apply it under the eye. Always use your ring finger because this has very less pressure compared to the other fingers. And you see it has very serum like consistency that get absorbed. Now it's getting done and you can see the lighting changing, how easily it get absorbed into your skin because it is very lightweight and it has a serum kind of texture. And I do have dark under eye area, so yeah, we're gonna treat that. Now this eye cream also contains calming ingredients like plant-based collagen and peptides. Now if you know how good peptide and collagen is for your skin, especially for the anti-wrinkle care. So it is really amazing for your under eye area. If you have that light wrinkly under eyes or your under eye is not that bright, this is really gonna work on that and it's gonna moisturize deeply. Only thing you need to make sure while using this is that you have to start using very slow, both the retinol serum and the eye cream. Any retinol eye cream or eye serum you're using, not only this one, you have to start very slow, like I would say twice a week is maximum, and then gradually you can increase like 3 days and then 4 days, and then you can start using it daily as well, but start always slow. Otherwise 3 days continuously you use this product and you're gonna see the damage it causes to your skin. It will become supremely dry. So make sure you are starting very slow, otherwise just be prepared for the consequences. And I'm going to insert a slide that shows 4-week results of after using this product. A major ingredient also include niacinamide and hyaluronic acid that provide intense hydration to your skin. You just need the tiniest amount of this product. It is like a serum consistency and it leaves very hydrating finish under your eyes. This eye cream is not that high like the Beauty of Joseon one, but it definitely works really well and it contains the combination of amazing ingredients, so really good product. It's a 10 on 10 product to try. So if you are looking to add a new retinol in your skincare routine, this product can really work for you. And this was my honest non-sponsored review, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you within another video. Till then, bye bye.